7 Ways to Make Money Online. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 7 ways to make money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, there's something here for everyone. 1. Online surveys. The first way to make money online is by taking online surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback from their customers, and they're willing to pay for it. You can sign up with survey companies like Survey Junkie or Swagbucks and start earning money right away. 2. Freelancing. The second way to make money online is by freelancing. You can offer your services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Whether you're a writer, designer, or developer, there's a market for your skills. 3. E-commerce. The third way to make money online is through e-commerce. You can start your own online store on platforms like Shopify or Etsy and sell products you make or resell. 4. Affiliate marketing. The fourth way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. 5. Digital products. The fifth way to make money online is by creating and selling digital products like ebooks, courses, or printables. You can sell your products on platforms like Gumroad or Teachable. 6. Online tutoring. The sixth way to make money online is by tutoring students online. You can offer your services on platforms like ByteKid or TutorMe. Online trading. The seventh and final way to make money online is through online trading. You can trade stocks, bonds, or other investments through platforms like Robinhood or E-Trade. Subscribe on our channel. So there you have it, 7 ways to make money online. Don't limit yourself to just one, try a few and see which ones work best for you.